This is how you can get rid of thrips from your garden once and for all. These tiny, fast-moving insects can wreak havoc in no time. They suck the sap from plants, damage the leaves, and deform buds. Yellow spots on leaves, shiny streaks, and tiny black dots, their droppings, are clear signs of infestation. Once you spot them, prepare a homemade spray. Chop 2 cloves of garlic into small pieces. Garlic works like a natural antibiotic. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and insect-repelling properties. Place it in a tall container. Add 2 cups of warm water and stir. Grate 1 bar of soap, which acts as an emulsifier and helps the spray stick to the leaves. Add the soap to the container and mix until foamy. Let the mixture sit for about 1 hour, then strain it and pour it into a spray bottle. On a dry evening, thoroughly spray the affected plants. Within a few days, the thrips will be completely gone and your plants will begin to thrive again. Regular use of the spray will prevent them from coming back and keep your garden protected longer.